Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, check your Adobe subscription. Ensure your subscription is active by logging into Adobe account, and if expired, renew your plan to regain access. Next, verify your Adobe ID and sign in again. Log out of Creative Cloud and then sign back in. Make sure you're using the correct Adobe ID linked to your subscription. Next, you can check for licensing issues. If you're using Adobe through a work or school account, ensure your administrator has assigned you a valid license. You can also try to uninstall the app from Creative Cloud and restart your device and install the app again. Also, if you are connected to any VPN or proxy, then go ahead and disable it. Adobe apps may not work properly if a VPN or proxy is blocking the connection. Disable it and try again, and if none of these fixes your issue, you can try to contact Adobe support for further assistance. So, this is how you can fix "Sorry, this Adobe app is not available." If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.